Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and I'm your host Abhay. And in this video I'm going to be doing the unboxing and review of the Haylou MoriPods. This is the truly wireless earbuds from the brand Haylou. A couple of weeks ago, a marketing email or a PR email came to my inbox and it mentioned Haylou as the brand. Are you interested in checking out our Haylou MoriPods or Haylou truly wireless earbuds? We would like to send you over some products. Do you want to review? I was like, sure, why not? And I just gave my address, and later I just did a little bit of digging and I found out that Haylou is actually a brand which came from Xiaomi's ecological system of companies. As you guys can see, this is the brand's website, that is haylou.com/en, and as you can see, this is the homepage of the website. It says Haylou W1, which is maybe their flagship truly wireless earbuds, and here is the product, that is the MoriPods TWS, which is the truly wireless Bluetooth earphones, which is the product that we have received today. And also there is something called as about Lixing, and Lixing is a parent brand of the company Haylou, and this is actually a company which comes under Dongguan Lixing Electronic Co Limited, which was established in May 2015. As you can see, this is a startup company which secured a Series A funding from Xiaomi, and therefore it is one of the earliest members in the Xiaomi ecological chain. We have heard of the companies like Black Shark and Xiaomi, right? So those two companies are the companies which have received the funding from Xiaomi. So basically Haylou is a company like Black Shark or Xiaomi which actually received funding from Xiaomi, and now they operate as independent entities. And here is the product that we are interested in today, that is the Haylou MoriPods. So on the box surface we have the branding over here, and this is the Haylou MoriPods, and I think this looks like the Xiaomi TWS earphones that was launched in India. And as you can see, it says true wireless earbuds, and also it has Qualcomm aptX adaptive technology. And here we have the information that is present: Qualcomm's 3040 chip, dual microphones for HD calling, USB Type-C charging, IPX4 water and dust resistance. There is smart touch controls as well. As you can see, it says earbuds charging case, charging cable and user manual. And as you can see, it clearly mentions it is manufactured in China. Let me go ahead and open the seal of this box and let's take a look at the box contents itself. As you guys can see, this is the box contents of the Haylou MoriPods, and we have the truly wireless earbuds itself over here. It is present in this really cool looking case, guys. USB Type-C cable for charging. We have this user manual as well. It actually matches the table mat that I'm using over here on my desk.
Thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So for the first time, there will be a protective film that is present over here. You will have to remove the protective film like this. So after removing the protective film, you have to insert it inside the box, and as you can see, it is charging now. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and pair this truly wireless earbuds with our smartphone. As you can see, the Haylou MoriPods is mentioned over here, and it asks pair. Just click on pair. We have successfully connected to the wireless earbuds, guys. Now let's go ahead and use the wireless earbuds. We have the left and right demarcation that is present over here. This is the left and this is the right, and we have the mic that is present on this surface and also on this surface, and it doesn't have a rubber tips, it has the plastic tips, just like how we have on the AirPods. So these are the plastic tip based truly wireless earbuds. Now let me go ahead and wear this and try out the sound and music quality and also the call quality on these truly wireless earbuds. Hey guys, so I have been using the Haylou MoriPods truly wireless earbuds for quite some time now. I have listed the points that I have liked about this, and I have also listed the points that I have not liked about this. This product actually has Qualcomm's 3040 flagship chipset, which actually supports the Qualcomm's aptX sound encoding technology, which actually helps you to provide some really good sound quality for all the types of instruments and all the type of music. The second thing is this comes in 3 different colors. One is the white, one is the pink or rose gold, and the third is this dark blue color, which is navy blue. As you can see, this is the dark blue color that is present, and it looks actually very nice in this blue color. And the most important thing is it has USB Type-C based charging, which is really convenient. Whatever charger you already have can be used to charge this. And also the battery life is marketed as 24 hours battery life, which is basically with the box as well, I guess. Once you charge this box completely for 100%, the truly wireless earbuds can give you up to 24 hours of usage. So you charge this truly wireless earbuds in the morning, and you can use the truly wireless earbuds throughout the day. And the charging is also pretty good. Out of the box, it actually had around 60% of battery left left. This is a truly wireless earbuds which has that plastic tips, so it doesn't have the in-ear styling guys. It actually has the plastic tips like the AirPods first generation. But one thing is, I'm not a fan of plastic based tips because it kind of hurts my ears in the prolonged usage. Sometimes I take 2 hours or 2.5 hours of Zoom calling, and in such situations what happens is this actually hurts. And if there is in-ear or rubber style tips, it will be more comfortable for prolonged usage, is what my opinion is. But there are few people whose ear shape is in such a way that they prefer the plastic based ear tips itself. As you can see, this is how it looks, and the surface or the edges of this truly wireless earbuds are made up of plastic, but overall the fit and finish is really good. And the next important point about the truly wireless earbuds is it has 12 mm large size dynamic coil based drivers. Due to the large size 12 mm dynamic coil based drivers, what happens is the sound quality is really good. The volume levels can go very high. The sound separation between the instruments and vocals is really well made, and the bass is not too high for my liking. I am someone who likes deep bass, but the deep bass is not present on this TWS earbuds. But the overall sound quality of this TWS is really well made. The next important thing is it has CVC and dual mic based technology for noise cancellation for the calls and also crystal clear sound quality. So I've tried a couple of phone calls with the truly wireless earbuds, and the sound quality of this is actually very good. I've been able to hear the opposite person clearly, and the noise cancellation during the calls is also very well made. There will be kind of a mush that will be present in your ears when you are wearing this, because of which the noise cancellation happens and you will be able to hear the calls very well. Hey guys, this is how the audio quality of the TWS earbuds, that is the Haylou MoriPods guys. I am recording the video using the external microphone by wearing the TWS earbuds. As you can see, I'm wearing it is connected to my device, and I'm trying to record this video, and the audio source is from the mic of the TWS earbuds. To give you guys an idea how the audio quality of this TWS earbuds is when you are taking the video calls or when you're taking the normal calls. Gestures on this work very well guys. There is a long press for 1.5 seconds to disconnect the call, one tap for connecting the call or receiving the call, and one tap to pause the music or to play the music when you are actually wearing while you are watching movies or listening to music. So guys, the next important thing about this truly wireless earbuds is it comes with Bluetooth version 5.2 technology. So if you're having a gadget which supports Bluetooth 5.2, and since there is Bluetooth 5.2 on the Haylou MoriPods and both the devices have Bluetooth 5.2, what happens is the range of this truly wireless earbuds actually increases up to 10 meters from the place where your phone is kept, and the connectivity is also a little bit faster in the Bluetooth version 5.2. It has Qualcomm's aptX sound encoding technology, and with the help of this, what happens is the latency that you get when you are playing games by wearing this TWS earphones will be very less. But I am someone who always believes that if you want to play like really good high quality sounds while playing games, then don't use the truly wireless earbuds. Just go for the wired ones, or use a USB Type-C to 3.5mm connector and use a really good quality wired earphones. So I'm not someone who plays games by using the TWS earbuds, because no matter what they mention on the paper, the latency will be present. And the next important thing is the TWS earbuds Haylou MoriPods actually weighs just 3.9 grams. Since it is just 3.9 grams, it is easily pocketable inside your pant. It can easily fit in the coin pocket as well, and also it has the IPX4, which is the dust and water resistance, but there is no dust rating guys. Since it is X, there is no dust rating, there is only water resistance that is present. When you are having IPX4, it is good enough for a couple of splashes, like when you are in the gym and there is sweat flowing through your ears or through your surface of the ears. This can take that minor splashes of sweat during your running or workouts or cycling or something. Apart from that, the gestures work really well. The sound quality is good enough. As I said earlier, the bass is not that good or on the higher side, and also there is support to use the gestures and trigger the voice assistant as well guys. That also works very well. And another important thing is the charging case capacity is around 310 mAh guys, and the earphones alone has a 35 mAh of battery capacity. Overall, the Haylou MoriPods is a really good product. I'll be leaving the link for this product in the description guys. If you want to check out the product, you can check out from the link in the description. And thanks to Haylou for providing the review sample for review purposes. And as I said earlier, this comes in not 3 colors, it comes in actually 4 colors. I checked on the website. It comes in this blue, which is with me now. It also comes in the pink or rose gold. It comes in white, and also it comes in black. So that's it for this video guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Thank you for watching guys.